Hi guys. So I just finished a workout and was thinking about something as I was actually on the treadmill, that I'm getting so many questions about anxiety, about feeling anxious. First and foremost, I don't want you to struggle with your anxiety. The more you struggle with it, the more exaggerated and exacerbated it will become. It's better to just accept it as a part of you and it's okay, but understand the underlying cause to it. A lot of us are anxious, for example, about the future. Now, why are we anxious about the future? Because of the what ifs. What if this happens? What if that happens? It's better, like I said before, to just ignore the what ifs and replace it with, if it happens, I will deal with it. Because anxiety is not being anxious about the future. It's actually about trying to control the future. We cannot control anything. I've said this so many times. So what's the point? Let go, accept, and just let it be.